There's one reason that we stay away from meat birds and we stick with the heritage breeds. Hey everybody, Alan here again from Me, You, and the Chickens Farm. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the running theme that we have here on Me, You, and the Chickens Farm. Is that we raise dual purpose birds. Not just any kind of dual purpose birds, heritage dual purpose birds. And there's a reason why we raise heritage breed chickens. That's because they're reliable. In many cases, they're durable. Dual purpose birds, heritage breeds that were raised in America for a long time, are really, really good egg layers. And of course, they can be processed. There's one reason that we stay away from meat birds and we stick with the heritage breeds. Not only because we want to preserve these breeds and their lines, but also, I'm not sure if you know it or not, but heritage breeds are actually healthier for you. If you're running a homestead and you're not on a particular time crunch, then you might want to consider heritage breeds as opposed to raising meat birds. Meat birds, I know, 8 weeks, you're processing them. They get to a certain size and they're no longer reliable. I'm talking about meat birds. I'm talking about birds particularly meant for processing. But if you get a heritage breed, you can have a heritage breed around for quite some time. And they're actually really good birds to raise. I'm gonna let this hen go. She might want to actually lay an egg. So again, we stick with heritage breeds here on Me, You, and the Chickens Farm, and we stay away from the processing birds because, again, heritage breeds are healthier for you and they're more reliable, they're more durable. And if you're thinking about being self-sufficient, you want to stick with the breeds that you can actually reproduce. A lot of the other breeds, you can't actually reproduce. The Cornish cross, I know there are different methods. They say that they're made up of 2 different breeds, but those aren't the breeds that you're going to reproduce. Those are meant for mass production. And again, they're not as healthy as heritage breed chickens. So we raise Rhode Island Reds, Speckled Sussex, Buff Orpingtons, and many more other dual purpose heritage breeds that are going to be healthier for you and actually help you to become self-sufficient. You're doing homesteading, self-sufficiency is your main goal. And you can't be self-sufficient if you have to rely on an outside source to actually buy birds. If you can raise heritage breeds and then hatch out new flocks, then you're really working on being self-sufficient. So consider that. Heritage breeds over your meat birds. It's probably a really, really good idea if you're trying to be self-sufficient. And again, thanks a lot for checking out our page. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and tell me what you think about raising heritage breeds over your production birds, your meat birds. Come on, you want to be self-sufficient, right? See you guys soon.